for me, I was broken talaga. Why? Kasi the government, punta ka doon. Grandson, it was brought in me because solo parent. Really, there is no more. Kasi I was in the Unihub, I was in the Congress, so they just tell me na, go to your barangay. So I came to the barangay, and I noticed talaga na people are so busy running up. Why? Because they want that assistant. Because life is very hard talaga, totoo. Lalo na mayroon, as for me, I have my grandson. It was brought in me because solo parent. And even my daughter haven't yet received that solo parent assistant. And here I am, I was going there to get their attention to help us, the assistant, that my grandson is a PWD and yet he is not also receiving that assistant. So, for me, I was broken talaga. Why? Kasi the government, punta ka doon. While they're not thinking na yung pamasahe mo, your pagod mo, tapos parang ipasa-pasa ka lang, and then wala kang nakuha sa kanila. Sakit talaga, magugutom ka, uhaw, tapos here I am, a senior citizen. I'm doing for it because nothing will help me.
Meron ba tayong idea na ilan ang count no pumunta dito?
Marami talaga, as in marami, kasi I have seen people, three lines going there to Lagaw Gym.
Nakikita po natin yung kalsada, ma'am. Yun po ay sarado?
Sarado, from there, and no one could enter. Even vehicles, even tricycle, they are not allowed because of so many people who are falling in line to receive that assistance. So, for me, even though I haven't received, as long lang I have learned na yung talagang tatanggap is talagang worthy nga makatanggap. Hindi naman yung mayayaman. Kasi for myself, on my own thinking, they have changed the names. Supposed to be that the names should be encoded. It was in the encoder. Kasi whatever you want to encode their names, their family, not so near with them, they can do that. But in fact, to those people who are hoping that they could receive.
Ma'am, ano po ang mensahe po natin sa ating mahal na Pangulo na kayo po ay isa hindi nakatanggap ng ating...
Actually, alam mo, kababayan ko yan sila because I am from Eastern Samar. Oo, but yet, ayaw ko yung palakasan ba. For me, gusto ko talaga na maiparating sa ating Pangulo na ipa-implement talaga wholeheartedly to those people that they must be responsible to the duties and obligations that they are elected, no, na makareceive talaga at makarating talaga doon sa talagang dapat makareceive. Oo, yun lang talaga ang sa akin. Why? Para naman sasabihin nila, wow, ating Pangulo talaga is very good talaga. So, thankful me sa aming Pangulo because he's doing his part. Ang heart ng Pangulo is para talaga sa taong bayan. Yung gano'n na hindi siya nasisiraan and never no one could destroy him because it is sin. Lumalabas yan sa bawat puso at sa kasalita ng bawat mamamayan. So that's why I am praying talaga na makarating sa ating Pangulo na naway ang ating mga bawat barangay, mga DSWD, LGU should do their part wholeheartedly because we love also Filipino people, para mag-angat tayo, para ang ating bansa is talagang hindi lang yung mayayaman kahit yung nasa laylayan, umangat din sila. And everyone should receive that blessing because it should be that everyone should para thankful sila na ang ating presidente is doing his part well.
Mami, tanong lang po, ano po ang masasabi ninyo sa performance ng ating Pangulo ngayon sa kanyang panunungkulan dito sa ating bansa?
Well, ang aking lang masabi sa Pangulo is doing is very well, no? Na talagang magampanan niya ang dapat niyang gagampanan. As what I've said before, kailangan lang yung mga lower part, his cabinets at to the lower part should also be like him na wholeheartedly dedicated doing their jobs with their whole heart, serving the people, Filipino people. we need to love our Filipino people because of them. We are in that
Position,
position.
yes. And ito, Mami, sa ating First Lady Lisa Marcos, ano po ang masasabi ninyo sa kanyang ginagawa din na pagsuporta sa kanyang asawa at pagtulong na rin sa mga gawain kahit na wala naman siyang posisyon sa gobyerno at bilang isang First Lady ng Pangulo, siya ay tumutulong sa kanyang asawa sa mga programa nito.
Yes, it is a big help also to the First Lady, no, Lisa Aranita Marcos. Because he is the, sabi nga, ang pamilya, no, ang ilaw talaga yan ng tahanan talaga ang wife eh. So, in her part, dapat talaga, she also have that advices, which is good to everyone, no, na to be enlightened. Sometimes, we are not perfect naman, and we have limitations, each and every one of us, though you are a professional, though you are a rich people, and yet, not all of the knowledge is yours because it was given by God, individuality, so that no one could boast. Talagang, ano talaga yan ng Panginoon. Disenyo talaga niya yan na, kaya nga, hindi natin mamatahin ang bawat isa, kahit mahirap yan. So, kahit wala yan siya natapos, kasi why? We could not limit each and everyone because God has given a talent and a wisdom that comes from Him. Actually, I haven't even finished my high school. And yet,
Yes.
I believe in my heart, if God is there, you will be a blessed person to all the people. Kasi we need to help them, to encourage them, to enlighten them. Kasi ang mga tao ngayon, kaya gumagawa ng masama. Why? Because they cannot get attention. They cannot get help. Hindi sila makakuha kasi ng ano eh. Kaya their mind are darkened. Kaya gumagawa talaga sila ng mga bagay na sa ating lipunan, di ba? Kaya hindi maubos-ubos ang tao sa kulungan eh. It should be mabago talaga yan. At makapagbabago lang talaga. As what I've said, dapat bawat mga barangays, dapat government, mayroon talaga yan word of God para naaalala ng bawat isa na sila ay magsiservisyo sa kanilang bayan wholeheartedly because they are not doing their job to the people but to the Lord who has given them that talent that they could use it to anybody. Walang pili-pili. Kasi yan talaga.
Ito po yung tanong ko medyo malayo sa Diba dati ang former president natin sa Duterte?
Yes.
Pabor ba kayo sa ginagawa niya ngayon sa ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong? Sa mga paninira nila kay BBM, itong sila Glenn Chong, kay First Lady?
Yes. For me, sir, I haven't naman nakita yan talaga, no? Na talaga yun ang nangyayari.